Guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be like, I'm sometimes very hungry and I want to eat something sweet and something cold. So and all the times you can't eat ice creams. So for sweet we're going to be using some biscuits today. So I'll be telling you a very small and easy recipe by which you can make a sweet, cold and yummy and tasty treats. So let's get to the kitchen and start making it. But first, the ingredients are chocolate chip biscuits or chocolate biscuits, and cookies can also work. So chocolate chip biscuits I'm using, and you need chocolate sauce, which is basically chocolate syrup, and you need a little bit of sprinkles, and you also need a little bit of cocoa powder because chocolate's everything. So let's get to the kitchen now, guys. Now we're in the kitchen, guys, so let's start making it. First we need biscuits, so I have my biscuit box right here. Let's take out some biscuits, and the biscuits can be round, so or they can be square also, but today we'll be using round biscuits because I personally think that round biscuits have much more space if you want to make anything than square biscuits. So I've first taken out 2 biscuits. Now we'll get a tray or a plate or something. So I'm gonna take just small little plate and put it inside. So now we need our ingredients. Our chocolate sauce. I'm using the Hershey's one over here because it's like very yummy. After the chocolate sauce, we need sprinkles. I have very little left, but at least I have left. And we need a very little bit of cocoa powder. Oops, got it. Now we put all the ingredients, which are sprinkles, Hershey's syrup, and cocoa powder, and also biscuits. First, I'll show you like this or something. How can I show you? Okay. Yes, so now we have 2 biscuits. The biscuits basically have sides like this, so which is the inside side, like which does not have any pattern or anything. Put that up like facing towards you. Next we're going to take a little bit of chocolate sauce and put it only on one side and only on one biscuit. So let's hope it hasn't finished yet. Yes, it has. So just put it like round and round and round. Now that that is done, we're going to take a spoon and put it spread it. The extra you can eat, and I love doing that basically. So after putting this, it looks like a little bit like this. Now we're going to take our sprinkles. So I have these star-shaped ones over here. I'll show you like these. Oops. Now I'll make a pattern kind of thing. I just made the Indian flag, lol. Now let's make one more Indian flag. Oops, wrong place. White and white and green and orange and green. Yep, it looks like this. And now we're going to put the biscuit on top of this, and it will become a biscuit sandwich kind of thing. And next we're going to put two blobs, kind of like make a smiley face. One blob, the second blob, and the third smile. I think I put too much, so let's just spread it. You can make a smiley or spread it or whatever you want. Now a little bit of cocoa powder, very little because okay, done. Oopsies. Cocoa powder is put inside, and now just 1 or 2 sprinkles on top. One over here. So now it looks like this, and it's so yummy. Now let's make the second one. The second one I'll make of 3 layers, which will be so yummy. In the same way only. So come on, yes. And by the way, guys, if you don't know, I am Indian, but still I think making videos in English is better because it looks like it makes me and my channel look mature. So wait a second, guys. Yep, I'm back. My mother was calling me. So in this one, on the second layer, it will be a little bit of cocoa powder. We have so much of cocoa powder left. I don't know why mama doesn't use it. My hands are chocolatey now. Anyways, so the next one, on this layer I'll put 2 sprinkles. Wait, 3 I guess. Yep, 3. Now we'll put 1 more over here, like a biscuit. My hands are so chocolatey. And a little bit of chocolate sauce. Come on out, come on out. And we're gonna spread it. We're gonna put sprinkle. You can make a themed sandwich biscuit kind of a thing, because in the first one I put only orange, white and green, so you can use that idea. And the last, done. Now on this one we'll not put any chocolate sauce. We're just gonna take a little bit powder and rub it. Now that that's done, we'll make like stripes, kind of like this. I'll just show you it. A practice one I make first. Yes. This. Done. And now sprinkle. Just coat it in chocolate powder first. And now we'll put it on top. This is such a yummy hack, guys. I seriously love this. I've made this so many times. I once had a competition type of a thing in my school and I made this and I got selected in that competition, but I don't know what happened after that. Okay, now that that's done, we'll just take half a biscuit and crunch it into pieces. Like basically we have to make it crunch to put on top. Ow. Oh wait, I got choco chip. Yes, choco chip over here. Oh, one more choco chip. I put this one here. And oh wait, I got choco chip. And here, now the biscuit is crushed, so we'll put the crunch of it on top of it. Only the small pieces, not the big ones. It's very cloudy today, so not much of a sunlight is coming. And I forgot to switch on the light. Let me just switch on the light. Yep, much better. Now that's done and it's so yummy. My hands are so freaking dirty. You don't know how I'm picking them up right now. First, let's wash our hands. So inside the drain, a lot of chocolate water is going to be found if someone sees. Okay, now I've washed my hands. Now first let's dry them and then I'll tell you the next step. So now my hands are dried, guys, and now we'll pack up. So this is my chocolate syrup, my cocoa powder, ooh, it's raining again, guys. I'll show you the rain at the end of the video. Now the crunch of the biscuit, I'm gonna save it for the next time I make it with the sprinkles only. Let's hope by the time I pack up, the rain does not stop, because I practically and literally and basically and literally love love rain. So now this is done. We pack our biscuits now. Done. We'll put them inside the biscuit one. Next, we'll wipe the platform. Actually, my mom doesn't know that I'm doing this. I was studying for my French exam, and then I told mom that I am having like a 10 minutes break, and I have already exceeded that because the video is of 16 minutes. So I'll have to hurry so that my mom doesn't scold me. She doesn't really scold me most of the times. Okay, I'll put this later. So now, sprinkles done, platform done. Platform. Oh, our treats, I forgot about them. Almost forgot. So I have my treats right here. Let me also show you how they look. This is so freaking yummy. It's yummy. These sprinkles are so yummy. I got them when I was at my bestie's house for a dance competition. We were practicing for it, and guess what? We got selected. So I was very happy. Now the fridge has a lot of ice creams and chocolates. Let's put it inside. We'll see you. Bye. We'll see you in 3 to 4 hours. Bye, guys. Bye. So now that we've put inside our treats, okay. So let me tell you that a few important points about this recipe. So the first point, let me see. So first point is that you definitely need sprinkles and blah blah. And second, also, no other biscuits would work, only chocolate chip biscuits would work. So I'll just show you my treats one last. And treats, put it inside the freezer for 2 to 3 hours. I'll show you the results later. Bye.